Imagine if we could monitor the tiniest parts of our bodies as easily as we track steps or heart rate on a smartwatch. Now, thanks to recent research from MIT, that science fiction idea is becoming a reality, but for individual cells. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have developed tiny wearable devices that attach directly to cells. These devices monitor cellular behaviors in real time, just like how fitness trackers monitor our physical activity. It's an incredible advancement that opens doors to a new level of medical research, allowing us to observe cells like never before. This innovation could transform how scientists understand, diagnose, and treat diseases. By attaching tiny sensors to cells, researchers can gather continuous, accurate data about what's happening at the cellular level, providing a window into the fundamental processes of life. This technology isn't just an exciting concept, it has the potential to redefine how we approach health, medicine, and personalized treatments. In this video, we'll explore how these devices work, their groundbreaking applications, and the challenges researchers face in turning this vision into reality. The need for wearable devices on a cellular level arises from the limits of current medical research tools. Observing individual cells continuously has always been challenging, and traditional methods disrupt natural cell behavior. For example, techniques like microscopic imaging or biochemical analysis can only capture snapshots of cellular activity, missing the constant, dynamic interactions happening within a cell's environment. By creating a tool that can attach to a cell and gather uninterrupted data, researchers are setting the stage for breakthroughs in understanding diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. The motivation behind this technology extends beyond just passive observation. With these tiny devices, scientists can now get real-time insights into cellular changes that were previously undetectable. From a cell's response to stress to its adaptation to different treatments, these sensors are designed to capture details that can inform better, more precise medical decisions. In this way, MIT's wearable devices could provide a revolutionary level of understanding, helping scientists identify disease triggers, track treatment progress, and ultimately develop therapies that are tailored to how cells actually function in the body. MIT's wearable cell devices are as small as a speck of dust, but their impact on medical research could be enormous. These miniature sensors attach seamlessly to the cell's surface, collecting data about the cell's environment without disturbing its natural processes. They're designed with cell-friendly materials that avoid altering cell behavior, so the data gathered remains as accurate as possible. By operating on such a tiny scale, these sensors can capture complex details about each cell's surroundings, from temperature and pH levels to oxygen content. One of the most impressive aspects of these devices is their ability to transmit data in real time. As soon as they detect changes, the data flows to a computer, allowing researchers to track cellular responses instantly. This real-time data transmission provides scientists with a constant stream of information that can reveal how cells react to different stimuli, such as stress or potential treatments. In essence, these wearable devices for cells function much like a fitness tracker for humans, but on a microscopic scale, continuously monitoring cell health and behavior with a level of precision previously unimaginable. The potential applications of wearable devices for cells are vast, and they could radically transform the medical field. One of the most immediate benefits is for medical research, particularly in understanding how diseases work at the cellular level. For instance, scientists studying cancer can use these devices to observe how individual cancer cells respond to different treatments in real time. This level of insight could lead to more effective therapies that target the specific ways cancer cells behave, increasing the chances of successful treatment while minimizing side effects. Another major application is in drug development and testing. Currently, it can take years to develop and test new medications, in part because researchers lack detailed insights into how cells react to these compounds. Wearable cell devices can change this by providing instant feedback on a cell's reaction to potential drugs, allowing a scientist to quickly determine if a treatment is effective or if it has unintended effects. Additionally, this technology could lead to personalized medicine, where doctors tailor treatments based on how a patient's cells respond to different therapies, creating a new era of highly individualized healthcare. Despite their promising potential, wearable cell devices come with significant challenges that researchers are working hard to overcome. One key issue is powering these incredibly small devices. Since they're designed to be cell-friendly and non-disruptive, finding a reliable power source that won't interfere with the cell's behavior is a delicate balance. Additionally, the amount of data these devices generate is massive, and storing, managing, and analyzing this data requires advanced infrastructure. Researchers are actively exploring solutions to make these devices smaller, more efficient, and capable of capturing complex data without overwhelming existing storage capacities. Data security presents another important consideration. Since these devices continuously monitor and collect sensitive biological information, ensuring that this data remains secure and private is essential, especially if these devices are eventually used in patient care. Despite these challenges, researchers are optimistic about the future. They envision advances that could make these devices even more powerful, like monitoring multiple types of cells simultaneously, or even scaling up to enable organ-level observation. As technology progresses, wearable devices for cells could become integral tools in diagnosing and treating diseases in ways we can only imagine. Wearable devices for cells are still in their early stages, but the potential they hold is transformative. With the ability to monitor individual cells in real time, this technology opens doors to unprecedented insights into disease mechanisms, drug efficacy, and personalized treatments. Imagine a future where scientists and doctors can track disease progression or treatment responses at the cellular level, gaining insights that lead to faster, more effective interventions. This breakthrough could ultimately redefine the way we understand health, potentially allowing for early detection and targeted treatment of complex diseases like cancer. As with all cutting-edge technology, wearable cell devices will continue to evolve, addressing current challenges while unlocking new possibilities. Researchers are optimistic, envisioning a future where these devices become standard tools in labs and hospitals worldwide, contributing to real-time disease monitoring, patient-specific treatment, and even organ-level observations. While challenges remain, each step forward brings us closer to a future where health can be understood and managed down to the cellular level. This groundbreaking field is a reminder of how far science can take us, and there's no doubt that wearable devices for cells will play a central role in the future of medicine. For more in-depth information on this groundbreaking research, you can check out the original news release from MIT. The link is provided below in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.